Hi guys, Rainbow Heart Freedom Eagle here, and this is a cooking recipe video. Coconut milk with green leaves. So my background is from the Philippines, and what I have here is chard. I have rainbow and Swiss chard from Aloha Farms. So if you're interested in a CSA community service agricultural box, you can check them out. Aloha Farms on IG, on Instagram, and the minimum is a $25 box, and then you can get more if you want. I'm gonna make, basically in the Philippines they have this dish called laeng, and I'm gonna make it a vegan style. Instead of you seeing my messy kitchen, I decided to just sit here because I don't have the time or energy to clean it right now. Facts. So you can use, for this laeng dish, it's basically coconut milk and greens. You can use, I'm making it vegan. You can use pork and or shrimp, and shrimp paste or bagoong. Yeah, it smells really awful, like really strong, toxic and bad. But anyways, that's just a little like a little relish or garnish, something salty. You can use what I have used. I can use any leaves. Normally it would be the cassava or gabi, taro roots. Sorry, I'm mixing up the languages. Gabi leaves, which are the tops, the kamote tops, the cassava root plant tops, the green looking leaves. That has like acid and it's like prickly, so you have to cook it well. That's the original traditional recipe. However, since I live in different places that I don't have access to a lot of ethnic or Asian grocery markets, I just use whatever leaves, whether I usually use kale or collard greens, but this time I'll be using chard. This is the basis. Oh, I don't have the ginger. Is there ginger over there? So the basis is the medicinal triad, again, like in many East Asian foods. What I mean by medicinal triad, okay, so it's good, it's healthy together, it's good to stave away colds, garlic, onion, and ginger root. Yes, fresh ginger root. This is also great for allergies, nausea, just different things. You can make a tea out of it. This is what it looks like. Okay, so you can saute this medicinal triad in this laeng recipe, or coconut milk with green leaves. I have a friend who likes to say kalaloo, and this Aloha Farms will be having kalaloo, which is basically like a water spinach from the Caribbean. It'll be there along with other exotic things on Aloha Farms. So yeah, I'm so happy we got these nice fresh vegetables right off, cut straight from the farm, picked and cut. And you want to give back. Say thank you. Talk to the earth, talk to the plants. Don't take too much. Give back. What other ways? Reiki, prayer, thought, energy, your DNA, like part of your hair, water, offerings, whether it be tobacco, food, what have you. Basically, it's just the intention and the thought form, the energy of giving back. Okay, like I said, medicinal triad, good for colds and other things. Okay, you know this in very common in Filipino foods, very common in East Indian too. The other flavor, this is vegan. This is Edward and Sons brand. You can use this if you want. Garden, what is this? Bouillon cubes. Okay, I don't use this one that often. My favorite was Rapunzel until it got discontinued. But this is Edward and Sons, high quality, better than Knorr, which has MSG and all that crap. So The other seasoning you could use, you don't have to, but I like mine a little bit more spicy. I use Creole seasoning, Cajun Creole seasoning. Okay, so basically you can saute this in oil, like olive oil, grapeseed oil, whatever healthy oil that you use, and go ahead and simmer the medicinal triad, ginger, onion, garlic. Saute it first in, like, for example, the olive oil, and then you're going to simmer it in the coconut milk. And then you can add your seasonings, the bouillon, the Creole seasoning. Then you can add the leaves last, dependent on how hard the texture of the leaves are. When I was growing up, this was one of my favorites because of the coconut milk and the ginger. I just love that flavor combination together. And I love green leaves. So this is called Laeng. If Laeng, Laeng, if you want to know. I just call it coconut milk with leaves, coconut milk with green leaves. Okay, it's very common in ethnic cooking, whether it be down in the Caribbean or in the islands, any islands. So yeah, go ahead and try it. Let me know how it goes for you guys. And let me know if there's anything else you want me to cook. Like I said, you can make it vegetarian, vegan, or even with meat. I think it's usually with pork and shrimp, and then you can add shrimp paste on top. You can also use fish sauce if you don't have those things. So I'm not going to show it here, but I just want to make this quick. It's already 7 minutes. Check out Aloha Farms. And this is Rainbow Heart Freedom Eagle signing out. Thank you for watching. Let me know how it goes for you guys, because I'm a foodie and I just enjoy talking about these kinds of these topics. One of my hobbies. All right, healing. It is all that is. Why is it not stopping? Oh, it's because